2.2. Convergent evolution and functionalist interpretation. Then why does the same morphological feature, striation, appear at both ends of the Eurasian continent? The most convincing model to explain this is convergent evolution. Just as different species in biology develop similar appearances when adapting to similar environments, e.g. sharks and dolphins, culture also derives similar solutions under similar environmental pressures. The vast forest steppe zone in northern Eurasia shares an environment rich in rivers and lakes. The Neolithic people here relied more on hunting, gathering, and fishing rather than agriculture. For them, it was essential to have containers for cooking the fish they caught and storing the acorns they gathered. Pottery with a pointed or round base was optimized for being set into sandy areas or the ashes of a furnace. Additionally, it would have been necessary to engrave patterns to prevent slipping on the wet clay surface or to avoid bursting during the firing process. At this time, using readily available tools such as fish bones, seashells, or hair combs to stamp or draw patterns was the most natural idea that different human groups could independently devise. 2.3. Stimulus diffusion. An idea that permeates like fog. However, it is difficult to fully explain the similarities in design spanning thousands of kilometers solely through convergent evolution. The concept that emerges here is stimulus propagation. This refers to the phenomenon where abstract ideas or technical concepts are transmitted, even if specific objects such as pottery itself or people such as the group of makers do not move directly, such as being able to shape clay to make a vessel or carve regular patterns on the surface using tools. The steppe of the Neolithic era was not a wide open highway like in the Paleolithic era, but rather a vast network loosely connecting numerous tribes and communities through a chain process where Tribe A contacts Tribe B and Tribe B then contacts Tribe C. Information gradually spread across the Eurasian continent over thousands of years like a wave or fog. The steppes of this period were not a boundary dividing the center and the periphery, but rather a space of cultural resonance where innovations from different regions inspired each other. The comb pattern pottery of the Korean Peninsula should be re-evaluated as a product of technological innovation achieved independently by connecting to the vast information network of Eurasia, rather than being seen as a derivative of Siberia.